left B1 probably 5 minutes ago, so they're probably in the area. Intel's inside eyeball. I think Fast was just getting in the area.
Okay, we'll set up a perimeter in case he runs, and we can assist with that, and then we'll just let you guys do contact when he comes out.
Okay. And 600 unit initiated the call. Are they over here?
Yeah, 682, we got eyes on him. He's sitting down in a chair. He just moved. We can go up behind him, grab him, put him in handcuffs, and be done with the call. We got 3 officers here that can take him into custody.
What's he wanted for?
He's wanted for, he's the one.
43 to 21.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, all my co-responder teams are tied up. I'm still headed down there. I don't know if Manley's working there today or not. He's got a good rapport with this guy, from my understanding. 682, and we can take him into custody right now, if easy.
How many people does he have directly around him?
It's Lasso, 682, Adam, and then the off-duty officer at Hitler.
No, I'm asking how many people are around him where he's sitting?
It's just him sitting here alone, right in front of Safaro's, the pizza place. And 17 Maker, I'm on the outside. At the food court entrance on the west side of the mall. Do you want me to come in or just stay out here?
Just stay out on the perimeter. Don't get any closer. We don't want him to see your car.
Okay.
Can I put a picture?
What's the drill? Agents out here. We're going to go get contact with him and get him handcuffs.
Stand by just a second. What? Yeah, what do you think? Yeah.
I'll go stand out there with 17 Baker. He's out here outside of the food court or perimeter.
Right. Now, if he could essentially get up and go back into the mall further. So it's one of those things. Saburo is kind of a little off of the food court per se. But I would rather see if he does come outside first before we try to contact him.
Because I don't know if we're going to stay here.
If that's good.
There might be somebody over here.
Wait, what?
Okay.
I don't know if we're going to stay here.
Yeah.
So, all right, you know what? Go ahead.
Because the door's right here.
Yeah,
so
I get it.
Left side.
I get it.
Okay. All right. I know. Yep. Yep, exactly. Right. Okay. I'll call Manley. Okay. All right. Sounds good.
He's going to go over with 17 Baker and tell them don't be readily visible.
Right.
Who are you talking to just
Manley.
No, before.
Oh, it's Tyler.
Okay.
And Jimmy, just sounds like they're discussing a plan on whether to do it inside or not.
Hey, bud. So here's one of the issues. Obviously, if he gets away from you and starts running through the mall, then we're going to have this whole thing going through the mall. So I know. I know.
You're on the west side or the east side?
I know.
I'm on the west side.
I know. I know. But now that we have all these resources, we got to use them. Okay, that's the supervisor and me talking to you. Okay, yeah. So what we're gonna do, and Tyler will come over here in just a second. He will if he starts heading outside. If you can do the contact, we're good with you doing the contact, getting him in custody. SWAT will support you. Okay. Right. Just walking him. Just walking around with him. Okay. Okay. Let me talk to Tyler again. We'll discuss it a little bit more. Okay. All right, I'll call you right back. All right, bye. Oops. Hey, I just got off the phone with Manley. He's thinking the guy's not going to leave, that he's going to pretty much spend the entire day in the mall. That's what he usually does. So I'm thinking, yep, I'm thinking we just go ahead and grab him, have SWAT sit out the door in case he does take off running. But we should have 3 in there to do the arrest, and then we'll just support him. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put that over. All right? All right. Bye.
All right, how do I find a picture real quick?
Rich, I'm going to have to call you back. All right, bye. So, hold on a second. He's a white dude, kind of skinny. I think he had like reddish, blondish hair. All right, Cruise 21 to Manley. This is what we're going to do. You're free to go ahead and contact him since you told me that he is not going to leave the mall. SWAT will support outside. If you need anything, just keep us involved, and we'll kind of converge on those doors over by the food court. Just tell us how you're doing the approach and when you do the approach, and we'll be ready to support you.
Okay, copy. Let me go for you, copy.
So
just hang here for a second.
I think Vasquez was saying that Sabor's on that side.
Go ahead and make contact with him right now.
All right, we're clear. Hold off just a couple seconds here. And
So I see a blue truck that's probably SWAT.
yep.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see where everybody
And then
is.
okay, let's go ahead and move up.
Dispatch copy. Have the handcuffs to walk in and out for 2
Cruise 21, if we can get a marked car over here to go ahead and take you into the jail, please.
Joey King, I'm on the east side of
Is that SWAT too?
Yep. Just go ahead and pull up here. Oh, he dyed his hair. Thank you. Thank you, boys. Who's 21? Thank you, SWAT.
You're doing good so far, man. Thanks for working with us.
Like 3 of them.
You got a bag?
You got anything? No, I got it. Your phone's right here. Phone's right here. Your charger's here.
You know if it like
He was on it. We grabbed him and kind of just fell off the countertop.
It should be good.
Okay.
The phone.
Any?
No tears, nothing.
Okay. Good. Good deal.
Here, I'm gonna lift your chin up for me.
Thanks for being cooperative, my man. I appreciate it. Okay.
Yeah, we had a couple conversations
going
at
on
the mall,
too, right?
right?
yeah.
Research.
Traffic's a bitch getting down.
Pull your pants up. Pull your pants up.
So you want to explain it to me real quick?
So what we're going to do to this issue or trespass from this mall, it is for life. So you're not welcome back. We have all the information here. We're just going to get a picture of you, and then after today we'll show.
Okay, so as long as you stay away from the wall, you should be all good, okay, brother?
And it's for life.
Do you want? Are they going to want his cell phone? Do you think? I'd say we go ahead and.
So we got, you got a mic take with the FBI.
Hey, we need to get that cell phone too. It's going to be put in.
Okay, yeah, it's right here.
You just beside you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, absolutely. We were just over there. We're like, oh. That's why I was like, what warrants does he have? Because it sounded familiar. So.
He actually has a warrant in Lakewood, or one member, but they're not.
Alright, have a seat, please. Alright, Mr. Larson. You get those warrants and everything taken care of? I'll see you all here again, okay?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I think the biggest one's 20.
Go ahead and take the phone. Yeah. Put it in. Shut it off.
Oh, we're saying it as evidence?
Well, this. Let's see. Where's Intel at? Where did Intel go?
They all dipped. We filled on mark, they all left.
Yeah, go ahead and shut it off. Put it into property. As evidence.
For, I'm guessing we're going to create our own case because it's out of Boulder. So.
Yeah. Just put it in there. You can put it in under the warrant. Just write a report why you did it. It's as evidence of his possible other charges. So that's why we're taking it. How are you guys doing?